Hello everyone, don't copy anything from the ChatGPT because in this video I'm going to show you how other people can know that you have copied their content from ChatGPT. So let's start the video. Suppose I'm a student and if I will copy essay on internet from the ChatGPT and I will upload this to my assignment, and if teacher will see this assignment and if he or she will go to the websites such as AI content detector and they will just paste our assignment here. And suppose if they will paste our assignment here and they will press on the analyze text, then they can know that we are cheating. And here you can see 1% of our homework is AI generate 1% of our homework is human generated content. So it means that 99% of our assignment is AI generated. So in this way, many people can know that we have copied content from the ChatGPT. So you should not copy directly any content from the ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how you should copy content from the ChatGPT. Okay, so then you need to go on the ChatGPT and you need to copy this content. And in order to just make this human generated content, you need to just paraphrase text. So in order to paraphrase, you need to go on paraphrasing tool and you need to go on the any of the website. Suppose I will go on the paraphrasingtool.com and here you can see then you can just paste your some text and you can press on the basic paraphrase or advanced paraphrase. I will do advanced paraphrase, and here you can see it is paraphrasing. So it is paraphrasing and it is taking time. So from here I can copy this text. Suppose I will copy up to here, and suppose I will go to this website and I will check my content. So again I will go to this website, and if I'll check my content, then it will show that, look, I'll press on the analyze text. It is 3% human generated content. So it means that again we need to paraphrase this text. So for paraphrasing, again we need to go on the other website. Suppose we need to go on the paraphraser.io. So I will go on this website and suppose I will paste. So I will press on the paraphrase and let's see. Okay, it is completed, and I will just copy this all and I will just paste it on the AI content detector. And okay, so I will go on the AI content detector and I will paste it. Okay, so I will press on the analyze text. So it is showing 5% human generated content. So you need to just paraphrase text and do copy, and you need to paste it in your assignment or blogs or anything that you are copying from the ChatGPT. So in order to upload content from ChatGPT, you need to paraphrase. So after paraphrasing, you can just increase human generated content. So after increasing the human generated content, you can easily upload, and other people may not know that it is just created from AI. So in this way you can copy content from the ChatGPT. But if you will directly copy content from the ChatGPT, then you can be cast, and other people can tell you that you are cheater. So you must not copy all things from the ChatGPT. You can just paraphrase by using paraphrasing tools, and you can just check whether it is human generated or not in human generated content detector. So in this way you can do your work from the ChatGPT and you can just enjoy. So bye bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will come back in next video. Bye bye.